If you're just trying to find the next AI unicorn and you're just buying and holding your favorite AI stocks for the medium to long term, you are potentially leaving a ton of money on the table, because I'm going to reveal a strategy. It's a short-term strategy that could allow you to make up to 321% returns in only or as little as 15 days using AI hype spike trades. Now, these AI hype spike trades are short-term trades you can use and look for on particular AI stocks. And I learned this strategy from master trader Larry Benedict, who's been trading the markets for years, and he identified this strategy recently, and it is working like absolute gangbusters, and it's returned up to 321% in 15 days. But in reality, this strategy can return good double-digit sort of returns, or even treble-digit returns in a few days, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. Short-term strategy, you get in and out of the trades quickly, whether the stock's going up or down. And that is the beauty of AI hype spike trades. Short-term profits without having to buy and hold. So let me just sort of give you a big idea of the AI market at the moment and why this strategy and AI hype spike trades are working so well. So according to Larry, the AI market is just going for a massive boom. It's almost in parallel to what happened with the dot-com boom back in the early 2000s. The market is just, there's billions, if not trillions of dollars just flowing into AI stocks. And any piece of news, whether it's from Elon Musk, the media, or a specialized AI event, can send AI stocks racing up or crashing down. The AI market is highly volatile. And seeing that, the AI bubble is becoming very bloated, it could burst. So Larry thinks there's going to be a major period of volatility coming up. And this makes using AI hype spike trades a really smart strategy, so you can profit from whether the stocks are going up or going down. And here's the beautiful thing. You can continue to hold your favorite AI stocks or look for your next AI unicorn. Just keep doing that. But if you want to make your money go even further, AI hype spike trades can help you to do that. So how do AI hype spike trades work? Well, you trade them using options. And there's one particular stock that you can use AI hype spike trades to get exposure to the biggest and most volatile AI stocks. And that's by trading. So I've got my notes here. The QQQ Trust Series 1, can't even say it, or the QQQ for short, because 50% of the QQQ is made up of AI stocks. So if those AI stocks make a move, this ETF fund, the stock price can rise or fall very rapidly. And this is where you can use AI hype spike trades and options to get in and out. Now I'm just gonna explain how this kind makes more sense than just buying and holding 100 shares. So say for example you want to put some money into Tesla, because Tesla is going to do really well in the next 6 months, going to $500 a share most likely. But say if you think, Tesla is going to go to $500 per share and more because of certain things that are happening, which are they're making their own AI chips and other things, and Elon's invested $1 billion to buy more shares, so he's going all in on Tesla and AI robotics. But say you want in on Tesla, you want 100 shares of Tesla at $400 per share, for example. That's going to set you back $40,000, which is a lot of money, and a lot of you watching this probably don't have that sort of cash. But if you use AI hype spike trades using options, basically an options contract controls and holds 100 shares for a set period of time. So if you think, I think Tesla's going up to $500, you could buy an options trade, a call option that controls 100 shares. You set your strike price to $500. You set your expiration date to a set period of time when you think this is going to happen, and you make the trade. But the beautiful thing is you're controlling 100 shares, but you might only pay $500-600 for it. But that one options contract could return 100, 200, 300%. You know, it's beautiful. And also, you know, you can run this play time and time again, week in, week out on shares like Tesla. But like I said, the main stock to play this is the QQQ Trust Series 1. And like I say, if you think an AI hype spike trade or stock of the QQQ is going up in price, you buy a call option. If it is falling, you would use a put option. And by this way, you can profit from whether stock price is going up or down. And you basically make money from the premium. As long as you're making more premium selling the options contract than you're using to buy, you're going to make money time and time again. And it's a beautiful, smart strategy because you can play this multiple times a month and make really nice short-term profits. But the thing is, how do we spot these AI hype spike trades in the QQQ? And by the way, you can run this on other AI stocks as well, such as Tesla. It doesn't have to be the QQQ, but we're using the QQQ because it is so heavily weighted to AI stocks. So these stocks, there's so much money in them, they can shove the QQQ stock price in either direction very quickly at the drop of a hat. So basically, Larry, he basically uses mean reversion trading to spot trades. And what mean reversion is, the theory is, well, it's not theory, it's a strategy, is once a stock is oversold or undersold past, the moving average, 20-day moving average, that stock is likely to snap back towards the moving average. So basically, mean reversion is just a stock is just oversold and it's moving too far away from the 20-day MA, or it's undersold and it has to snap back at some point. Another way you can spot it is with the RSI index, relative strength index. Basically, this shows the momentum a stock has, whether it's going up or down. And another way you can sort of look for these trades is with trading volume. So basically, if trading volume is up on the QQQ, or if you want to run this on another stock, if loads of people are buying options contracts or traders buying options contracts, people are buying a ton in shares, that is a sign there's obviously a load of money flowing into the stock, and that could be a sign that there's going to be a snapback towards the 20-day MA. And that is basically, in a nutshell, how AI hype spike trades work. I've tried these myself. They work really, really well. I've only been doing it recently because it's a fairly new strategy, but they're really effective. You can make, a nice juicy 50%. You can even make 50, 60% returns in one day. It just all depends, when the stocks, if the stock moves in your favor, you can just cash out. And it's whilst it can take a little time to get your head around of how to use option trades, once you get it, they're so easy to use. They're available pretty much on most trading platforms, and it just allows you another way to make consistent profits from the AI market, because it's the perfect time to use options, because the AI stock market is so volatile at the moment, and eventually there's going to be a bust. So there's going to be tons of opportunity to make short-term trades using options and AI hype spike trades to basically make extra income and boost your portfolio. So that is basically how you can make up to 321% returns with AI hype spike trades. I think it's probably the smartest strategy to use in the AI market at the moment, because no matter what happens in the market, you can make profits over the short term. And this is how some of the smartest traders in history have made their fortunes, using options, either betting on a market going up or betting, for a massive bust. So there you go. Use AI hype spike trades to play the AI stock market because the opportunities are going to be abundant. Now, if you want to go down a deeper rabbit hole with AI hype spike trades, Larry Benedict has written a special report filling you in on all of the details of how to play, use options to run these AI hype spike trades. And more than that, he will notify you of all of the trade alerts. So he'll basically give you all of the details you need to know so you can open trades and close trades on the QQQ Trust Series 1, because that is the stock Larry is going to use to trade for his AI hype spike trades, because as I've said, there's so many AI stocks in the QQQ. So basically, if you want to learn more about this strategy, you want to give it a try, highly recommend you grab Larry's special report and get all of his trade alerts by joining One Ticker Trader, which is Larry's options trading advisory. I've been a member since 2021. I love it. And he's just really helped me boost my retirement portfolio. So if you want to give it a try, get the AI High Spike Trade special report and a load of other special reports, and get Larry's special options trade or AI hype spike trade alert, so you know when to get in and get out and learn actually how to trade options. Give One Ticker Trader a try. It is absolutely brilliant. Highly recommend it. And you can join risk-free for 60 days as well. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.